This is a test of the control path for controlling the props that I'm building. I don't have any of the props connected. I'm going to turn on and off some of these stage lights, and that will simulate, turning on and off the solenoids that will supply air to the air cylinders. I put up a video about this before of how I'm using VSA, this VSA software program, and connecting the computer through a USB cable to the DMX dimmer using the Intec Open DMX box here. And I've ran a VSA program before and videoed that. Now what I've added here is the input control, where I have these little wireless remotes that have 4 channels, A, B, C, and D. They connect into, or they communicate with this receiver that then has relays for normally open, normally closed for each one of the channels. So I've got 2 of the channels connected into the Exorcist I/O board. The Exorcist I/O board will then detect the triggers from the various button pushes on the wireless remote, and a software program running here called Exorcist will then detect that and run one of the VSA routines specified, here. Can't see that because it's armed at the moment, meaning that it's listening for trigger events. But there's there's one program, VSA program, that's loaded up, and if everything works well, it should run, play a sound file, and turn on and off one of these can lights. So let's back up, cross our fingers, and go. And that's it. So that really just verified the control path that goes through all those various links, and ultimately will turn on and off a device, which will be the solenoid, and play a sound file. So there you go.